So recently, I came across this term called decision fatigue, and it really resonated because I know we are swimming in the sea of information. Even when you go, want to get a latte or a coffee, the choices are endless. By the time you're done going through the list, you need a really double duty coffee. So, but what is the other way? Is there a way out of not making decisions? Is there a way out of the information that keeps coming back at us? Not back at us, that keeps coming at us at a rapid speed. So the answer is, as always, somewhere in the middle. We cannot use the information if we do not understand what it is that we are looking for. We can't use the information if we do not understand or clear on our intentions. So, and in order for us to be clear, for us to understand what's going on within us, it takes awareness. It takes constant reflection. It takes constant awareness so we are able to navigate our inner chatter so we can navigate the outer world. That's the middle point. It's the toughest point. The other extreme is that we fall asleep. We don't want to know. We shut our ears, eyes off. We just rather someone tell us what to do. Although it can be very tempting, just tell me these 5 things that I'm going to do so I can lose weight. Tell me these 5 steps to be happy, as if it is a formula. So happiness, awareness, and to be wakeful is to be wakeful from moment to moment to moment, and not dread or not get fatigued at it, but rather enjoy the journey of getting to know and understand and learn new pieces of information that you can use in your life to better your life. Falling asleep is not something I recommend. And I do wonder so many times that perhaps that's what many of us are doing. We don't question, we don't ask for additional information. We become dumbfounded. We don't look at our options. We follow far more than is healthy for us. So waking up is what this time is about. And I invite you to wake up to what's going on within you. In my upcoming course is called 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom. Yes, you have to be awake in order to be free. The detail for the course I'm going to provide below the video, so take a look, and I hope that you will join me.